Hazrat Ali described about apple as eating apple early in the morning after reciting Surah Rahman and 21 times Ya Shafi'o Ya Rahmano Ya Allah are the cure of diseases. Apple neutralizes the effect of poison. Ziyad bin Marwan said that he was in Makkah when an epidemic spread among the people. I wrote a letter to Hazrat Ali. He replied to eat apples to the people because it saves the effect of epidemic. Eat apple in the breakfast. It cleanses the stomach. Aima Ahle Bayt said, "Lo ya'lamu naso ma fi tafahi ma dawa'u amradahum illa bih." If people come to know about the healing due to apple, then they will treat their diseases from it. Even smelling of apple is useful for health. Apple is useful for removing phlegm. There are also many other benefits of eating apple. That is, apple benefits the heart. It reduces heat and prevents nausea. That is, prevents bleeding from nose and is a treatment for fever. Apple saves from cancer, strengthens the teeth, and beautifies the skin. Carbohydrates, protein, vitamin C, and sugar are present in apple. Apple strengthens the mind because quantity of phosphorus is in abundance in it. Apple's juice keep the antiseptic quality and there is 84% water in it. Apple contains iron components which increase the red blood cells in the body, make the face fresh and the body strong and energetic. Apple improves digestion and liver function and prevents constipation. We should remember an apple a day keeps a doctor away.